Hello everyone, today we're going to have a quick look at how to calculate the surface area. So the surface area is basically the area here, okay? In order to calculate that, the equation you have to use is area equals length times width. So if we say the width of this rectangle is 2 and we say the length is 8, all we need to do is 8 times 2, okay, and that should give us 16. Now if they're in meters, these units are in meters, so if 8 and 2 was in meters, this will be meters squared, okay, that's the unit. Whereas if it was centimeters, it would be centimeters squared, okay. The area will always be represented as squared. Okay, now let's have a look at some examples. So here we have two questions. In order to find the surface area for this, we have to use this equation. So if we were to do that, so the length here for this one is 7 and the width is 3. So if we have to do this question, we just simply do 7 times 3, okay, which equals 21. Okay, and this question, so the length is 10 and the width is 4, so all you need to do is 10 times 4, which gives you 40. So this is the basic on how to find the surface area for the rectangle, but it is different for different shapes. But we're going to look at a complicated version of this. So a 3D, this is 2D, and we're going to look at the 3D image of a rectangle shape and how to find the surface area for that. Alright, let's have a look at this shape then. So if we were to ask to find the surface area for this shape, it's a bit more trickier than what we just did. So there is 3 numbers instead of 2. So we got 5, 2, and 6. So how should I go about it? You should break it down so you can see that there is two rectangles, one with length 5 and width 2, and the other with length 6 and width 5. So if I draw it out here, so 5 and 6, so this one here is this one, and the other one is 5 and 2. So if I write 5 and 2, that's this one here. So this is a 3D shape, so we have to make sure we account for all the sides, and this shape has 6 sides to it. All right, but we know it has 2 types of rectangles, which are here. Okay, so we need to make sure we find the area of this square, rectangle, and this one, then make sure you multiply it according to the shape. Okay, so if we do that over here, so for this rectangle, it will be 5 times 6, which is 30, and for this one it will be 5 times 2, 10. So basically we figured out that for this one here, the surface area is 30. Okay, and for this one here, we figured out it's 10. The surface area is 10. Now, if we look at the shape, if we look at this cube, we know that sorry, it's not cube. If we look at this rectangular shape box, there's two sides which has this shape to it. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to times that by 2, and this rectangle has a surface area of 10, so we need to times the 10 by 2, which gives you 20. And if you look at it, there's one rectangle there, one rectangle there, then there's 2 more. So we need to times that by 4, the top one. So we need to times the 30 by 4. And if you do that, you would get 120. Okay, now that's not it. You need to add it up. We're looking to find the surface area of the whole box. Okay, so we need to add 120 plus the 20, which will give us 140. Okay, so the surface area for this box would be 140. All right, I know that was a lot to take in, and it's not the best diagram ever, and I did just scribble, but I think that should give you a basic understanding of how to go about it. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. I do a lot of maths content, so feel free to subscribe and let me know how it did. But if you have any questions, please drop it down below, and have a good day.